Hi, my name is Jamal Khan. I'm a senior tax partner at Churchill Tax. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're speaking about Spotlight 69, which has recently been announced by HMRC. I'll share my screen. Here we are. So let's get started. Here's a little bit about Churchill Tax Advisors. We're a specialized tax advisory firm based in London and Essex, and we offer national coverage. We are known in the UK and abroad for our tax expertise in tax planning, tax advisory, and tax investigations. So Spotlight 69, what is it? It was released by HMRC on 28th of April 25. It's targeted at a specific tax avoidance scheme that is being promoted to eliminate capital gains tax on properties. It mainly targets landlords who have a portfolio of properties. How does the scheme work? So it promises to slash capital gains tax by transferring your property business into a limited liability partnership, and then they do a members voluntary liquidation, then selling the properties to a limited company, often one you or your family owns. So there's three main things: set up an LLP, liquidation, and then selling the properties to a limited company. And that's how they feel they can avoid capital gains tax. So how do they pitch it to landlords? Oh, you'll avoid capital gains tax by treating the proceeds as a capital distribution, essentially. It sounds very tempting, but it's not. It's complete failure in my view. HMRC's view is that it doesn't work. That's the view per the legislation. I'll break this down into two parts. So the new rules in the Finance Bill 2425 under the Section 59 of the CCGA 1992 treat the transfer to an LLP as a disposal at market value. This means you are liable for CGT on the gain between your purchase price and property's current value. There's no loophole there as such. Number two, Section 75 of the Finance Act targets artificial schemes designed to dodge stamp duty land tax. So the prearranged steps transfer, liquidate, sell triggers HMRC's anti-avoidance rules. And if HMRC catches you, and if you've been using this tax avoidance scheme, you could face full capital gains tax bills, plus interest penalties and hefty fees from the scheme promoter. Worse, promoters who don't disclose these schemes to HMRC risk fines of up to £1 million. And if you fall for this, you could face full CGT plus interest, penalties, and hefty fees. How to stay clear of bad tax schemes. Tip one is work with trusted advisors, check their history, check their registration with governing bodies such as Chartered Institute of Taxation. Tip two is to know the warning signs, LLPs, liquidation, it's happening too fast, too quick, and upfront fees. And tip three is stay informed with HMRC Spotlight, check HMRC's website, and ask a reputed firm. Tip number four is partner with Churchill Tax Advisors for peace of mind. And how to find a trusted tax advisor. First of all, check their track record over the years, check their professional qualifications and verify them, read the online reviews, get a second opinion, check when the firm was established, check the team members. Do not go to anyone who has been a tax advisor for less than 20 years because that builds credibility. And that's it. That's about me. I'm Jamal Khan, senior tax partner at Churchill Tax Advisors. I've been in the tax advisory business for about 28 years, and I help high net worth clients and corporates reduce their tax liabilities. Um, One thing I would say is about Spotlight 69. It's a very contrived way of transferring properties and going through different kind of artificial steps. Whereas you can go for incorporation. Incorporation takes a bit longer, but it's something that HMRC has been accepting for many, many years, and it's within the legislation and the guidance. And we specialize in incorporation and transferring properties into limited company through the proper route, through partnership or LLPs, and then transferring into a limited company, provided you're spending 20 hours a week and you've had a partnership for a number of years. And there are many rules that come with incorporation. If you have any questions about incorporation or transferring properties into a limited company, please do get in touch. Thank you very much.